Are you tired of giving your kids expensive devices? Because let's face it, kids drop everything. Are you tired of giving your kids your expensive smartphone to play games or watch videos? Because let's face it, kids lose everything. Well, if you are, you're just like me. And that's where a device like this comes in. Hey guys, welcome to Retethered Tech. My name is Jonathan, and in this video we're going to be unboxing the JetTom Robot Pad A1. It's a $65 Android tablet for kids. You can find it on Amazon right now for $65.99. So we're going to do an unboxing, see what comes inside the box, and see if a $65 kids tablet is worth it. So let's get started. Let's go ahead and cut open this box, take off this plastic that's on top. On the back of the box, you'll see some of the features that come with this Android tablet, this kid's Android tablet. It's a 7-inch IPS 600 by 1024 resolution display. It has 1 gig of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, and that's also expandable, a 3000 milliamp hour battery. So not the greatest specs in the world, but this is a $65 Android tablet, and I think specs wise it's perfect for kids. I mean, kids don't need the best specs in the world, right? And the best part is it's inexpensive, so if they break it, they lose it, it's not a huge deal. So let's go ahead and take off this top here, and we have the tablet right up front. Go ahead and remove this. Put this plastic to the side. So this actually has a built-in screen protector, which is nice, right? Any protection on a device for kids is welcome. So that's nice. All right, so let's go ahead and put this tablet over to the side here. And let's see what else comes inside the box. A foam insert, and all right, this looks to be the case. So it does come with a case, which is nice, especially once again for a device that's for kids, because kids tend to drop a lot of things. So let's go ahead and put this device, this tablet, inside its case. There we go. It even has a built-in kickstand, which once again, this device, this tablet is made with kids in mind, because we all know kids are going to want to watch videos on their tablets, and hopefully I can figure this out. I guess this kickstand is like, I have no idea how that kickstand comes out. Okay, so let's take a look at everything else inside the box, because I'm having trouble with that kickstand. Obviously it is adult proof and not kids proof. All right, so what else comes in they actually provide another screen protector, so if something happens to that screen protector, they have this one built in, and this is a glass screen protector, so that's really nice. So the one on here, it's already installed, and they provide a secondary one, so if your kids crack that screen, you can just replace the screen protector. Hopefully they don't crack the actual screen and they only crack the screen protector. All right, so that comes inside the box. Let's see what else comes inside. This looks like a charging brick. And yes, it is a charging brick. Once again, this has a 3000 milliamp hour battery, so not the largest battery, but it doesn't have a huge display. It doesn't have a high resolution display, so the battery life should be pretty good. And we also have here a charging cable. So this is a micro USB charging cable, as you can see here. It would have been nice if it was USB Type-C, but once again, this is a budget tablet. It's nice that they actually included a charging cable and the charging brick, because expensive phones nowadays don't even come with that. And you know who I'm talking about. So you get a lot for $65. Not only do you get a tablet with the case and a screen protector, but you also get an extra screen protector, everything that your kids are going to need to get started. The case is a thick case, by the way. It's a nice, durable case. It's definitely going to take a fall. Has a lot of cushion to it. So let's try to figure out this kickstand, because I'm still having trouble. I still do not know what to do here. Okay, there we go. All right. So it's kind of difficult actually to take this kickstand off. You kind of need something to kind of stick in there. Maybe I'm doing it wrong, but that's how it should go, like that. I'm guessing. Stand it up like that. And the great thing about this tablet, it's an Android tablet, so it has the Google Play Store already installed onto the tablet. It's not like the Fire Tablet Kids Edition, which has Fire OS over Android, which doesn't have the Google Play Store. You have to side load it onto that tablet. This already has that built in. It already has YouTube built into the tablet as well. It has all of Google's applications. You can get Netflix, Disney Plus on the Google Play Store. All of that's available on this tablet. But I'm going to do a full review on this tablet to see if a $65 kids tablet is really worth it. So make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss that video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.